It's an ever-changing world of emerging technologies. The future looks promising and equally demanding. Our lives are becoming more connected. It's a phenomenon enabled and driven by the ever-growing technology. This story is about a company that makes products that are an integral part of technology that connects lives. While you stay connected with your dear ones, commute with ease, manage your funds better, increase productivity, demonstrate your responsibility as a dutiful citizen, and expand your horizons for a better tomorrow, we strive to innovate to help you go the extra mile. With strict adherence to high-quality standards, attention to details, and unparalleled commitment, we are Amphenol FCI. Amphenol FCI started its operations in Bangalore in the year 2000. With nearly 2 decades of unmatched operational excellence, we've become one of the leading cable assembly service providers to telecom in India. At present, 70% of our solutions are provided for Indian customers and 30% worldwide. We experience a steady growth in fiber optic solutions, and we've recorded double-digit growth for 4 consecutive years. We have a culture of continual improvement that focuses on people, process, and product. Our customized, cost-effective cable solutions for copper, fiber, and backplane solutions has helped us in developing a long-term partnership with our customers. Our plant is equipped with state-of-the-art machines and testing facilities. We are ISO certified. We offer a full range of copper cable assemblies, terminated and tested to your specifications. We have the experience, expertise, and capabilities to meet nearly any fiber optic requirement. Amphenol FCI's backplane assembly solutions provide the highest quality bandwidth capabilities for applications in networking communications and data equipment, industrial and instrumentation, including supercomputers, control, and more. Our quality assurance systems ensure consistency in quality and reliability. Our plant in Chennai caters to the increase in demand from our customers in the telecom sector. This plant offers both copper and fiber connectivity solutions. Our team here continuously strives to deliver 100% tested, high-quality products with operational excellence. We aim to delight our customers by supplying reliable, world-class cable assembly solutions. We relentlessly seek improvements of our products, increasing our solutions' overall cost-effectiveness, precision, and reliability. This ensures that we meet or even surpass the ever-changing needs and expectations of market trends. We're proud to have a dedicated and industrious workforce, the key factor that has taken us ahead of our competitors. Our team of experts, with operations excellence in their DNA, have been instrumental in the multi-fold growth that we've recorded over the years. We value the opportunity to support your goals and initiatives.
And we always go the extra mile.
We connect technology.
We connect lives.
One team, one dream, one spirit.
We work and win together. We are Amphenol FCI.